Bending warped hardwood boards into place during installation will no longer be such a hassle. It's Kristen from DIYHomecenter.com, and in this video I'll be showing you the DeckWise Hardwood Wrench and why so many deck builders are asking where they can get one. The DeckWise Hardwood Wrench is the ultimate deck board straightening tool. It provides a pushing force of around 1,100 pounds and has 10 configurations that allow virtually any position. A DeckWise Hardwood Wrench deck board straightening tool features knurled stainless steel joist pins for increased grip, adjustable joist pins for use on boards up to 3.5 inch wide, a hard anodized aircraft grade aluminum cam and dogleg construction, a stainless steel multi-position handle, and a solid American ash hardwood handle. This deck board straightening tool is compatible with all types of decking, like pre-grooved or standard lumber, composites, and PVC. It can be used on all high-quality decking materials such as Trex, ironwood, teak, cedar, redwood, kumaru, tigerwood, and masaranduba. To use the DeckWise wrench, simply place the wrench on joist or furring and position the joist pins and cam against the board tightly. Rotate the handle to apply pressure against the board. The cam will automatically lock the wrench in place, and you can let go of the handle to install hidden fasteners. The DeckWise Hardwood Wrench deck board straightener can also be used for assisting in face screw applications. Visit DIYHomecenter.com to shop or learn more about our many home improvement products. And if you have a question about something we talked about or need help with any other home improvement products, please give us a call. We're here to help.